good and to technically look at where possibly the market can react. On 4 hours time frame, we want to start from the upper bound where price have had a series of massive rejection to upswing on 3 hours time frame. So we have a very clean buy structure here. So I don't know, but I know the market will continue to do something very dirty. So if you try to attempt buy, you have to first of all allow the market to lock in into this structure. So here is going to be, even if the markets try to give a buy candle, it's going to end up in a sell. The reason is because we have an upper bound and a lower bound. So on the upper bound, this serves as a supply roof. And on the lower bound, this serves as a demand floor. And I want to put the price actions on this structure into context, so it resonates very well. So we have here as a resistance structure, price has sold down. We had a breakout structure and price return here as a demand floor. So I'm trying to illustrate and throw more light to how we came about that trend. And we had here as a retest after the break of this trend, resistance structure, support structure. Look at it, you can see it very well. So price came back here and we broke out of structure and we retested it, and price returns here again to retest the structure. So technically we are expecting a new leg into shortly after. Now the next analysis is going to be on 30 minutes so that we see where it leads us. So price expect a push into 43, expect a push into 43. This is going to push into 43 to complete this cycle. Maybe they might rally or not, nobody can tell. Or price can come there, break out of structure and continue on a bearish course. Another case scenario on 4 hours, 3 hours is the floor. This is the last floor with a very impressive bounce in price. Also very impressive. Iron price came here. So we have seen that beauty over there. Look at that reaction, that last one. So we are not making this up. This is the structure of the market. Support structure 1, support structure 2, support structure 3. Another technical demand floor. Now at this level now, on 4 hours time frame, we are having a very clean triple top. So if you look at it from line chart, you will see that the market has formed a triple top structure on 3 hours. If it breaks out from here, retest it, it could go down more. So Gold is going down. It's going down. And to add to the bias, let's also have for academic purpose to see what price has done at every point. Breakout of trend followed by a retest, sell continuation. Another breakout of trend, followed by a retest, bearish continuation. Support structure 1, support structure 2, breakout of the two trends, retest 1, retest 2, bearish continuation. And the last one we had today, another one. And shortly after that, you have seen that retest over there. It was a very quick one. You need to have the eye of the gods to see it. So let me put that reaction into context. There was a reaction here. There was a retest 4 hours candle. Now the price has formed a double top. Break of the neckline of the double top follows a bearish continuation. This is the structure. So you look at it on a line chart. That's another familiar price action. After that breakout, you see a retest, and I think this thing will come down here, 3,820. But at the moment, let's see how 3,943, 3,950. There's a potential reaction at that level. So let's see what buyers was gonna do there. So let's see if they can come down here. But here is the breakout we had today of 4 hours time frame. And if you put it into 4 hours line charts or 3 hours line chart, it still gives you the same thing, breakout retest, and you have seen that that bearish drop. So this is what we have in a very simple term, how price has moved. So if you are someone who is taking a range trading, this is for you. The next buy, potential buy on patience is going to be at 3,945, and the next one is going to be at 3,826. So these are two potential buy floors I see. The rest are just just playing with the market, and so we're playing with capital. So that's what I see. So let me share it. So this is what 4 hours look like. So I'm going to look at 30 minutes, and I think we've talked about daily. This is 4 hours. Then the next one is 30 minutes.